How to track your orders on Temu. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can check the delivery status and track your Temu orders using your phone or computer. In this tutorial I'm using an iOS device. If you're having Android or using any computer or laptop, you can follow similar steps. So what you're going to do is, first of all, open your Temu application, or you can simply go to the search bar and type in Temu and open in any of the search engine. So once you've opened that, you will be redirected to your home page, and obviously in order to track your orders you need to sign into your account and you should have placed an order. So what you're going to do is click on You over here at the bottom, and then you'll be able to see your orders. So simply click on your orders, and what you're going to do is scroll through the list to locate the order you wish to track. You can also check the processing tab for updates, and each order will have a status label next to it indicating whether it's being prepared, has been shipped, or is in transit, or it has already been delivered. And you're going to tap on the specific order to access more information and look for the track option and select it. So this will open the tracking details, allowing you to see shipping updates and real-time progress on your packet's journey. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.